In this video, we will learn how to install the Sirocco 2 cabin fan. We'll also review all the fantastic features that make this a must-have that enhances your comfort. In addition to the fan, you will find the base plate, double-sided tape, wires, 2 screws, 2 steel nuts, 2 brass nuts, and 2 lock washers. You will also need 6 size 6 screws, pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before we attach the backplate, test out the positioning of the fan, as you'll want to ensure that you can take full advantage of the 360-degree airflow capability while still having access to reach the timer and speed settings. Place 2 nuts in the hex holes on the back of the backing plate before mounting. Feed the positive and negative wires through the backplate before securing to the mounting surface. Using the double-sided tape provided, attach the backing plate to the surface. Secure the backing plate with 6 number 6 screws. Attach the provided wire to the fan by placing the positive marked wire to the positive screw. Secure with the lock washer, then the brass nut, and tighten well with pliers. Repeat by attaching the negative wire to the screw with the lock washer, brass nut, and tighten. A feature, if you don't have the option of a clean feed through the base plate, is to run the wire out of the end plate. Complete the wiring connection from your fan to your newly enhanced comfort zone. Place the fan into the holes at the base and slide to lock the fan base onto the secured backing plate. Secure the fan to the backing plate using the 2 screws provided. Push it flat against the surface when not in use. Now that your fan is installed, you'll want to check out the 4 timer settings: 3, 6, 9, or 12 hours, as well as the 3 speed settings. You are now ready to enjoy your Sirocco 2 cabin fan. Built in Canada by Gaframo.